Spawn right there.
Got him. Nice.
Nice.
Well done, guys.
There. Why am I feeling so... Oh! That was great. At least I can hear it. It's like, oh!
Let's move.
Where did he snipe you from?
I tagged him on here. There.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shit.
And that guy made life so easy when he was in the tank.
Oh!
I heard that scream. I heard that.
Oh my god.
You're like, ah!
Bro, he took my freaking head off so fast. Yo, you know what thing I'm thankful for? No armor plates.
Oh
yeah, it's helpful.
That is so...
You dead or you dead?
Exactly. Yeah, I took his head off. With that, I was about to get my head taken off. Alright, mark the jet. Can I mark the jet ourselves?
What the hell is that?
Like, oh. That was like horrendous scream. I had to turn around. Yeah, that's one. Hey, where is he though? There he is, buddy, up in the air. Do a barrel.
That was a great mark, by the way. Whoever painted that, I just missed the shot.
Thank you. I have my thing there.
Do a barrel.
You know, I don't always wish for your downfall.
What?
What?
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Easy, man.
Sniper! Sniper, go down!
Got one on my bogey. I got a bogey on my tail.
No, you don't. You're good. Oh, you have a tank. You have a ground tank on you. That's what it is.
I know.
There, I painted him. No, the only thing is,
This guy is pissed. Where am I? On the wrong side of the map or something? Oh, I am on the wrong side of the map. Shit. That's 100% my fault.
You found me.
the jet's on our side of the base. Oh, he's wrapping around you. He's to your left.
Got it.
Down.
Perfect. All right.
What the hell was that?
We have lost control of Charlie.
Amazing. We are not letting them push our points.
Yeah, no, it's good. We've got control over the map, which is fine. Not to take caution.
Be advised, the enemy now controls more objectives.
You want to use my PS4 controller?
No, it's fine. I might try it.
Got a jet behind me. Shit.
Jeff loves you, buddy.
Is he still in the air?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, nice muscle guard.
Okay, he has like 1 HP left.
Yeah, he has like 1 HP left, so you can't blame me if something happens.
That's true. This is
He
true.
legit has 1 HP left.
Mistral.
Unless this game completely crashes, then
Hector, he's like, no.
Oh, it's coming back into airspace. There he
Oh,
goes.
damn, the maneuvers, man. You doing about it?
Look at that guy. Oh, you're locked. You're locked. He's a flare.
I'm fine.
Oh,
You see, you got a guy on you. You got a bogey on your tail.
damn.
I'll tag him for you.
I do have Pokemon on my tail. All right, dogfight time.
Yeah, I tagged him.
Thank you.
I got eyes on him. Yeah, he's on your tail. There he is. Actually, you got your boy up there with.
I gotta get one zone again.
Oh, almost fire thingy, majigger, tower, sniper. Take his ugly face down.
Not good. Fuck me.
Oh god, I shouldn't have done that. Woo!
Oh, you have 3.
What am I getting waste from? Oh my god, my head is... Oh, there he is. There you are.
Contact
You silly
Sniper!
bugger.
We now control more objectives. Objective
Bro, you son of a.
One guy. Okay, try to get to the roof. Oh!
I got your buddy. Stay alive.
He's like,
No!
took down a jet with a towel, and then the other guy's like, you're a coward. The enemy team. He's like,
No, why can't I get a jet? I hate this game.
he's not getting anything. Yeah!